When you're in an abusive relationship, you're cut off from the rest of the world. For 2 years, I lost touch with all my friends and family. I wasn't eating properly. She didn't let me. I could feel that my body was starting to shut down. Be asleep and she'd smack me on the head and I'd just go in the mirror and I'd look and I'd just be bleeding.
We have all known someone who at some point was victim of domestic abuse. Most articles claim that this is a gendered issue, but when we look at the numbers, they tell us a different story. Bear in mind that 1 in 3 victims of domestic violence is male, according to the Statistic Canada. Men grapple with societal expectations of being the potential abuser, but never the potential victim. While physical strength may be on the side of the men, emotional manipulation becomes a weapon that leaves scars unseen. 75% of male survivors declare that they were afraid of their ex-partner. Men keep their struggles hidden due to a pervasive fear of judgment, disbelief, and the potential backlash from exposing emotionally manipulative partners. You hear me right. According to the studies, only 25% of men who experience domestic violence report it to the authorities. The silent suffering often precedes any visible signs of physical abuse, leaving emotional wounds that run deep. A lot of societal narratives wrongly cast men as the perpetual aggressors. In reality, some women use emotional manipulation as a tool of control, like when a woman threatened to hurt the children or to tell the police that he did it to her. Nearly 40% of men in abusive relationships experience psychological aggression. The legal frameworks addressing domestic violence often overlook the insidious nature of emotional abuse, leaving men vulnerable to partners who excel at manipulating emotions. The law must evolve to recognize the varied form of abuse, ensuring protection for all victims, especially because men victims are more often injured than female victims. You hear me right. Men victims are more often injured than female victims. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe for more similar content. Legal disparities are evident in the figures, as many domestic violence shelters and support services are primarily designed for women. Only 1 in 7 men report seeking help due to legal constraints, emphasizing the systemic challenges that contribute to the under-recognition of male victims in the legal framework. Breaking the chains of silence demands proactive solutions. Men can find empowerment in embracing the principle outlined in the book No More Mr. Nice Guy, setting boundaries, prioritizing their needs, and seeking support in male groups. Male communities like Masculine Academy help men overcome these difficult times and offer a space where men can openly discuss physical and emotional abuse without fear of judgment. What are your thoughts on domestic abuse? Have you witnessed someone victim of domestic abuse? If yes, leave a comment in the section below. In the Magic Mike show, men were also subjected to dreadful abuse for the female clientele. Click on the link above to watch the full story.